Brand building step by step. Do you want to build a brand identity that makes your business unforgettable? Whether you're starting from scratch or refreshing your current brand, this video will guide you step by step to create a powerful brand identity that wins loyal customers. Let's dive in. Your brand identity is more than just a logo, it's the unique message, vibe, and image your business conveys to customers. Think of it as your business's personality. It's what makes Apple's sleek silver logo and Coca-Cola's bold red stand out in our minds. A strong brand identity builds trust with your audience, creates recognition through consistent visuals, encourages loyalty by fostering emotional connections. When done right, your brand identity becomes your secret weapon for standing out in a crowded market. Start by asking yourself, what does my business stand for? Who is my target audience? What problem does my product solve? Use 3 words to describe your brand like innovative, trustworthy, and sustainable, and build your message around these principles. Choose a name and domain. Your name should be simple, memorable, and align with your message. Don't forget to secure a matching domain and social media handles. Design a logo and pick your colors. Your logo is your brand's visual anchor. Choose colors that reflect your brand's personality, like blue for trust or green for sustainability. If design isn't your strength, consider hiring a professional on platforms like Fiverr. Maintain consistency across platforms. Every customer interaction should reinforce your brand identity. Use the same logo, fonts, and tone of voice everywhere. This consistency builds trust and recognition. Build emotional connections. People buy with their emotions. Share your story, highlight your values, and show how your brand solves real problems. Customers will connect with your authenticity. Let's tackle some FAQs. Do I need a professional designer? While DIY tools work for starters, hiring a pro ensures a polished brand. Can I change my brand identity later? Yes, but gradual changes are key to avoid confusing your audience. How much should I spend on branding? Invest in a quality logo and visuals, it's worth it for long-term success. Your brand identity is the heart of your business. By following these steps, you'll create a brand that stands out, builds trust, and wins loyal customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite branding tip. Let's build something amazing together. For details, visit the website mentions below in description.